good morning again guys, it's me, Frederick Atigbak. So for now, I create a chapter summary of the chapter 3 chapter summary tutorial in a PowerPoint. So let's go and read this. Chapter 6 Summary Tutorials. So in this chapter, chapter 6 began with the look at the external features, included an overview of each port, including its numbering, physical connectors, and characteristics. An overview of the router's Ethernet port provides insight into AUI connections, transceivers, and their purpose. A closer look. A router's serial ports included an explanation of synchronous communication, DTE and DCE devices, and the physical layer communication standards that are used to connect between these devices. A basic introduction to CSU or DSUS provided insight into role in the WAN communication process. The purpose of both synchronous console and auxiliary ports was looked at next, including the ways in which these ports are connected to devices using rollover cables and adapters. The pinouts for a rollover cable were also looked at in order to allow you to create your own as necessary. A review of the router's LED lights provide insight into the types of information that this provides. A look at router's Ethernet elements focus on the four main memory storage. So areas used to Cisco routers including the flash RAM, ROM, and NVRAM. The information contained within each was examined as were their associated characteristics. So, for the overview of the Cisco IOS, provided insight into feature sets and the different types of the iOS releases provided by the Cisco. So, the Cisco to distinguish a major release from an early deployment release was discussed as were the purposes of the maintenance and the general deployment releases. The client-server relationship for common service such as HTTP, FTP, DNS, DHCP, and an email server are hosts that run software to enable them to provide services to other hosts. Over the network, applications protocols determine how servers and the clients interact and exchange information with each other. Transport protocols such as protocol TCP or what we call TCP and use datagram protocol or what we call UDP. It defines port numbers, manage the individual conversation between servers and clients. Ethernet protocol or what we call IP specifies how data is encapsulated into packet in the logical address. network access protocol such as Internet describes two primary functions. So the data link management and the physical network transmission. So the domain name server, or what we call DNS, service that provide the IP address of a website URL or domain name so a host can connect to it. DNS names are registered and organized on the internet with specific high levels groups or domain sums of the most common high level domains on the internet are .com, .edu, and .net. Dynamic host configuration protocol, or what we call DHCP. Server service that assigns IP address, subnet, mask, default gateway, and other information to clients. File transfer protocol, or what we call FTP. Server service that allowed for download and upload of files between a client and server. Service that sends, receives, and stores mail in user mailboxes located on server. Uses simple mail transfer protocol, or SMTP, to send mail in client host post office, or POP3, or internet mail access protocol, or IMAP4, to retrieve mail. Web server service that use transfer information between web clients and server. Most web pages are accessed using hypertext protocol, or what we call HTTP, from server using port 80. HTTP is not a secure service. Requests for secure HTTP are sent to port 440. This request required to use of the HTTPS. So Telnet service that allows administrator to log in a host from a remote location and control host as though they were logged in locally. Instant messaging. IM client software is loaded on the host computer. Once IM clients authenticate with the server, they can send messages to other clients in real time to transfer video and music and switch file. IP telephony. So an internet telephony client uses peer-to-peer technology similar to that used by instant messaging. IP telephony makes use of voice over IP, or VoIP technology, which uses IP packets to carry digitized voice as data. So for the ending of the summary, so a protocol stack organizes the protocols as a layered hierarchy, with each higher level protocols depending on the services of the protocols shown in the lower levels. So the benefits of it to using a layer approach include: assist and simplifies protocol, allow from different vendors to work together, prevent technology or capability changes in one layer from affecting other layers above and below. When sending messages, the protocol on host operating from top to bottom. Each layer encapsulates information and passes it to the layer below. The process is reversed on the receiving host. Two hierarchical network models are the OSI model and the TCP/IP model for layers. The OSI model includes that functions or tasks associated with inter-network communication, not just those related to the TCP/IP protocols. The OSI model is considered the primary reference. So that's all for now for the chapter summary of this chapter. So don't forget to